Welcome to Bolti Books with Anjali. Rita has to do a maths assignment and arrange her stationery items in descending order of their length. Let's help her out. First, we will measure the length of each stationery item using a scale. Then, prepare a table and write stationery items in the order of their decreasing length. Finally, arrange them with the help of the table such that the length decreases from left to right. The length of pencil is 18 cm, scale 15 cm, color tube 8 cm, pencil box 20 cm, pen 14 cm, sharpener 4 cm, crayon 10 cm, and eraser 6 cm. In this table, stationery items are listed in the decreasing order of their length. At the topmost is pencil box with 20 centimeters and the shortest sharpener 4 centimeter is at the bottom. Using this table, we will arrange the stationery items in descending order. The longest pencil box is at the leftmost corner, followed by pencil, then scale, followed by pen, then crayon, followed by color tube, eraser, and the shortest sharpener. Now all the items are arranged in the descending order. From left to right, the length is decreasing. We learned how to arrange things in decreasing or descending order. How about solving this exercise? Arrange these balls used in sports in descending order: basketball, cricket, baseball, golf, and football. In descending order, the size of balls decreases from left to right. The biggest size ball, that is basketball, is arranged at the leftmost corner, followed by football, baseball, cricket, and golf ball. The smallest is arranged at the right hand side. So friends, we have learned about descending order. See you next time. Bye bye.